Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AWS Managed Workflows for Apache Airflow, MWAA, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into AWS Managed Workflows for Apache Airflow, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the AWS Management Console at aws.amazon.com. If you are not already signed in, click on the Sign In to the Console button. Enter your AWS account credentials, including your email address and password. Once you have signed in, you will be directed to the AWS Management Console homepage. In the top search bar, type MWAA or Managed Workflows for Apache Airflow. Select Amazon Managed Workflows for Apache Airflow from the search. On the MWAA dashboard, you will see a list of your Airflow environments. Identify the environment you want to log into and click on its name. This will take you to the Environment Details page. Here, find the Open Airflow UI button. Click on Open Airflow UI to be redirected to the Airflow web interface. A new window will open, displaying the Apache Airflow login page. You may need to authenticate using AWS IAM credentials if prompted. Enter your credentials and click the Login button. Once successfully logged in, you will have access to the Airflow dashboard. From here, you can manage your workflows, DAGs, and various settings. For security reasons, make sure to log out when you have finished using MWAA. Close your browser for added security if you are on a shared device. That concludes the login process for AWS Managed Workflows for Apache Airflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.